Hello ladies and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Well, in this video I'm gonna share with you this magic face mask. All you need is 1 teaspoon of coffee, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of honey. Let's firstly talk a little bit of the benefits of all these ingredients. Coffee grounds are often used in skincare as a natural exfoliant. The gritty texture of coffee can help remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and promote a smoother, brighter complexion. Additionally, coffee contains caffeine, which has been suggested to have anti-inflammatory properties and tighten the skin. Cornstarch is commonly used in cooking as a thickening agent, but it can also have benefits for the skin. It has a soothing and calming effect and can help absorb excess oil from the skin, making it useful for those with oily or combination skin types. Cornstarch can also contribute to the mask's texture, helping to create a paste-like consistency. Honey is a natural ingredient known for its moisturizing and antibacterial properties. It can help hydrate the skin, soothe irritation, and promote a healthy complexion. Honey also contains antioxidants that can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. When combined, these ingredients can create a face mask that nourishes, exfoliates the skin. The honey provides hydration, the coffee grounds gently exfoliate, and the cornstarch helps create a smooth and easy to apply mask. In a small bowl, mix all the ingredients together until you have a smooth paste-like consistency. If the mixture is too thick, you can add a few drops of water. Cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. Apply the mask evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave the mask for about 25 minutes to allow the ingredient to work on your skin. Once the time is up, wet your fingers and gently massage your face in circular motions for a few minutes. This will help exfoliate your skin with the coffee grounds. Rinse your face thoroughly with warm water to remove the mask completely. Follow up with your regular skincare routine, such as applying a moisturizer. It's important to know that everyone's skin is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. If this face mask cannot work with you, there is a lot of recipes on my channel that you can try. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.